Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert an SVG image to a PNG image using an online tool. Now the first thing I'm going to need is an SVG image. I currently don't have one, hence why I'm on Google Images. So I'm just going to search for AWS CloudFront Vector and hit enter. I know from a previous search that the first image here is an SVG image. Left click on it and then right click on this image here and click Save Image As. Pick a folder and hit save. Okay, once you've downloaded your image, navigate down here and click the arrow. Left click on it and then click Show in Folder. So here's your image in the Downloads folder. I'm just going to double click on it just to show you how it displays. So as you can see, SVG images display in your browser. Okay guys, now that we've got our image, let's begin the conversion process. So in your browser here, navigate to the top and type www.svg2png.com. Hit enter, and this will take you to the online resource that we're going to use. Once you're on this site, you want to navigate down to where it says Upload Files and left click on it. You will then want to search for your SVG image. As you can see, here's mine, AWS CloudFront. Left click on it and click Open. Scroll down and as you can see, it's immediately converting from SVG to PNG. Once it's fully converted, you want to left click and hit Download. Alright, there we go, our image has completely downloaded. Click this arrow here, left click on it and click Show in Folder. Once you're in your downloads, you'll want to find your PNG image. And as you can see, the only image here that's displayed is the AWS CloudFront image. Let's right click on it and view its properties. And as you can see, the type of file is indeed a PNG file. Hit OK, and now I'm just going to double click on it just to show you how it's viewed now. And as you can see, instead of the image being opened in our browser, it is now being opened in our photos. Alright guys, that concludes the guide. Congratulations, you have now converted your SVG image to a PNG image and it is now usable in many different programs. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give the video a like, comment down below, and I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, see you on the next one.